Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the cost of replacing your deck with Trex decking. Whether you're looking to upgrade your outdoor space or your current deck is showing signs of age, understanding the financial aspect is crucial. Today, we'll explore the factors that influence the cost of a Trex deck replacement, ensuring you have all the information you need to make an informed decision. A serene backyard transitions to a series of decks in various stages of wear and tear, highlighting the need for an upgrade. Trex decking is renowned for its durability, low maintenance, and aesthetic appeal. But what does it cost to replace an existing deck with this modern material? Let's dive in. Close-up shots of weathered wood decking are followed by vibrant Trex decking options, showcasing the transformation. Several factors can affect the cost of replacing your deck with Trex. First, the size of your deck plays a significant role. Larger decks require more materials and labor, increasing the overall cost. The type of Trex decking you choose also impacts the price, with various ranges offering different benefits and aesthetics. Labor costs can vary significantly by region and the complexity of your deck's design. Lastly, additional features like railings, steps, or built-in lighting can add to the total expense. A chart shows the average cost ranges for Trex deck replacement. On average, replacing a deck with Trex decking can cost anywhere from $15 to $38 per square foot. This range includes materials and labor, but can vary based on the factors we've discussed. For a standard 12 by 24 foot deck, you're looking at an approximate range of $4,320 to $10,368. Remember, these are averages, and your project could fall above or below these figures. Animated tips pop up on screen, offering cost-saving advice. Looking to keep costs down? Opting for standard Trex materials rather than premium options can save money without sacrificing quality. Comparing quotes from multiple contractors ensures you get the best price for labor. Additionally, scheduling your project during the off-season might secure lower rates and faster completion times. A beautifully finished Trex deck is being enjoyed by a family, illustrating the final result. In summary, replacing your deck with Trex decking is an investment in durability, beauty, and ease of maintenance. The cost will vary based on the size of your deck, the materials chosen, labor costs, and any additional features. By understanding these factors and exploring ways to save, you can create a stunning outdoor space that fits your budget. Thank you for watching our guide on the cost of replacing your deck with Trex decking. For more home improvement insights and tips, share your thoughts and questions below, and we'll see you in the next video.